a nice living area. As you can see, we have again an open kitchen concept here, master bedroom. As you can see. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm standing in front of the Coil & Co. Orchid Life, as you can see. So this is a lovely property located in Gunjur Palya in Bangalore. And before I give you more details about the property, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers. And since Housey directly connects you with the developer, you can purchase your dream home or project directly with the developer by registering with us at Housey. So right now I'm standing in front of the Haryana Coil & Co. Orchid Life, and this is spread across 7.2 acres of land located in Gunjur Palya in Bangalore. This small apartment consists of about 2 basements, the ground floor and 25 floors. Come, let's have a look at it. Isn't this a lovely property? I like how it is themed around nature, this entire property. It consists of 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. And the connectivity would include your Whitefield ITPL Tech Park, Outer Ring Road and Panatur Baligere Road, which is close to 2 kilometers from here. This property also boasts of some lovely amenities like your clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor games, yoga center, kids play area, etc. So far, this is a lovely property. I like how it's themed around nature. And if you're interested in purchasing a 2 or 3 BHK apartment from this property, you know whom to contact. Hi, right now I'm standing in front of the Coil Orchid Life 3 BHK model flat. Come, let's have a look at it. As you enter, you see this is a nice foyer area. This apartment is built across 985 square feet. So this extends up to a nice living area, as you can see. It's a nice cozy living area, so nicely done by the Coil Group. Opens up to a beautiful balcony space. This is one of my favorites here. It's so green and nice. Yeah. This extends up to a nice open dining area here. Accommodates a 6-seater dining table comfortably. I like how they've utilized the space here near the dining area itself to keep your collectibles and showpieces. We have again an open kitchen concept here, and this also is very nicely done. I like the color theme that they've used as well. It accommodates your refrigerator. You can accommodate your dishwasher also here, and nice storage space. And they have ample storage space here on top and the bottom as well. Now let's go have a look at the first bedroom. As you can see, the first bedroom is your kids' bedroom. I like how this is done up. The interior is done up really nice. It's a cozy, cute kids' bedroom with a nice study area, a side table, and wardrobe space with ample storage space on top. And it has a nice view of the garden area outside and also allows natural light inside. And then as we move to the second bedroom, before that we have a nice common bathroom area here. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom. As you can see, the second bedroom, the best feature is it has a nice balcony area outside. But before I take you there, we have a nice queen size bed with 2 side tables. It accommodates a nice study area as well as good storage space. You can utilize this as your You can put up a TV also here, and you have a nice wardrobe space available on the left here. And if you look outside, you can see a nice balcony area with a nice green view outside. As you can see, I like how they've utilized the space here, where they've used as a dressing mirror, with a table and a drawer here. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom of the Goyal Orchid Life. Before I give you a tour of the master bedroom, let me explain some details about Housey to you. Housey will give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the property. Housey will give you an actual location tour. Housey will give you a tour of the sample flat. Housey will also explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. And Housey will also give you the down payment and EMI options available. And if you have liked the flat so far and you want to book a free site visit, do not forget to click on the link below and register with us at Housey. Now let's have a look. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, it accommodates a nice large, I think it's bigger than a queen size bed. Then we have ample storage space here with two large wardrobes with a dressing mirror and a side table here where you can keep all your belongings. I like how they've utilized the space below as well. You have enough storage space here and accommodates two side tables, bedside tables. And my most favorite part is this beautiful garden area outside, which is so green and nice. This gives you a feeling like you're in a resort, doesn't it? I like how they've maintained that whole theme of nature, and the project feels really beautiful. So this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Goyal Orchid Life. If you like this property and you want to book a free site visit, you can click on the link below and register with us at housey.com. And if you want to know more details about this project, do not forget to click on the link below and download an e-brochure that's going to give you all the details. And if you like this video and want to watch more such videos about such lovely properties available in Bangalore, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Goyal Orchid Life, located in Gunjur Palya by Haryana Goyal & Co.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.